I'm going to give up drinking beer. I'm going to give up drinking beer. I'm so fat that I can't see my feet anymore. Rafa's star aunt. Rafa's star on photography. He just bought one of the latest and most expensive digital cameras. I don't know how my wife put up with me. Put up with me. I don't know how my wife put up with me. I drink too much. I'm a bad husband, and I'm a terrible person to live with. If you don't, speed up, speed up, speed up. If you don't speed up, we'll miss the train. We'll miss the train.